Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how to include your scripts and styles on a WordPress website. As always, we will do it using the WPP Generator. You can generate your own plugin starter kit following the link in the description. So, how are the scripts and styles included to WordPress website? If you go to the code part of your website, you can find many scripts and styles that WordPress already included for you. For example, in head tag, there are lots of additional JavaScript and CSS files. But if you go to the theme code, open the header, we won't find any of those scripts and styles there. That's because the scripts and styles are added using WordPress actions, WP head in this case, or WP footer in case we'd like to add a script to the footer of the website. You can include your scripts in a theme using functions.php file or use a plugin instead. We've generated a plugin on one of the previous tutorials, and now I'll show you how to include scripts and styles using it. To add additional JavaScript or CSS to the frontend part, we should open the frontend folder and find the nqscript.php file. Here are already included scripts and styles, and we can add new ones. As you saw before, there aren't any similar files in our theme. But when we activated the plugin, these scripts were added to the frontend of our website. Let's find them on our website. As you can see, they are included in the head of our website. To move a script to a footer of our website, we should simply change one argument in the function. Change false with true. Now, if we refresh the page, our script will be moved to the footer of the website. But styles will be included only in the head of our website. Now you can make some changes in the files and see them on the website. For example, let's make that CSS change. We have the same thing with the admin panel. If we want to add some CSS for the admin panel, we can do it using our plugin. Let's make some changes to our custom admin menu page. To add some elements there, I go to the admin views folder and find a subpage.php file. Let's add some button and make some changes to it. There are JavaScript and CSS files included in our admin panel, so we should only make the changes. First of all, I'm going to change the button style. Let's make the button ugly. It is so ugly now. As you can see, the styles work well, and now we can check if our JavaScript works too. Let's add some alert there. JavaScript also works well. So the scripts and styles are included, and you shouldn't think about where and how to include your files. Simply do coding. If you need to add some PHP data to JavaScript, you can use the WP localize scripts function. The first argument is a script name, the second will be the object name, and the third the variables that we'll be using. Let's check if this function works well. We are going to get the data from this object. If we create a variable and set some data there, we can display this data in the console. As you can see, it's working well. That's it for now. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.